Vladimir Putin has suffered a humiliating blow after Ukrainian forces shot down 4 attack helicopters in just 18 minutes, Ukraine's Ministry of Defense has claimed. According to preliminary reports, one of the downed choppers crashed in an unspecified part of southern Ukraine that had been recently reclaimed by Kyiv's forces from the Russians, while the other 3 landed somewhere behind the front line. The Ukrainian Air Force said on its Telegram channel that from 8.40 to 8.58 on October 12, anti-aircraft missile units of the Air Force destroyed at least 4 enemy attack helicopters, probably Ka-52s, which were providing fire support to the ground occupation forces in the southern direction. The Air Force also revealed that Ukrainian forces fired on 2 more Russian helicopters, so it's possible the number of downed aircraft will increase. According to the Ukrainian military's estimates, which has not been independently verified, since the start of the war on February 24, Kyiv's forces have destroyed around 235 enemy helicopters and 268 airplanes.